Hey guys, so we have, I'm just gonna call it the multicolored galaxy hoodie here, and I already cut all of the kite string off because it's really hard to rinse to try to keep that on there, so it's already off of there, so you won't see me struggle. Sorry. We'll try to do some bloopers or something when I'm doing that next time. So I'm just gonna open it right up. So, how to tie-dye a multicolored galaxy hoodie with black. So here we go. So we had seashell blue, lemon yellow, and hot pink. And that's what we got. So we got a little bit of purple in there, which is good, and a little bit of green because we mixed all the colors kind of without making brown. And then we have the hood, and the back is pretty much the same. The yellow and the green part is my favorite so far, but make sure you wait till the end. We're going to post a washed and dried version of the hoodie at the very end of this video. But if you like this hoodie, make sure you hit the like button down below, and don't forget to comment something, whatever. I don't care what it is, but it's nice to talk to you guys sometimes. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will see you again very, very, very soon. We have a wigwag t-shirt coming up and another mandala tapestry. So thank you again for watching, and happy tie-dyeing.